Understanding MCB types, curves and applications. Welcome to this session on understanding MCB types, trip curves, and their applications. This presentation is specially designed for technicians and electricians who deal with circuit protection systems regularly. What is an MCB? An MCB, or miniature circuit breaker, is a crucial safety device that automatically shuts off electrical circuits during overloads or short circuits. It helps prevent damage to wiring, equipment, and even potential fire hazards in both homes and industrial setups. What is a trip curve? The trip curve of an MCB defines how quickly it reacts to an overcurrent. Each curve is designed to match a specific type of load and expected inrush current. Understanding these curves is essential for choosing the right MCB. Common MCB curve types. Let's start with the most commonly used curves. Type B MCBs trip at 3 to 5 times the rated current and are ideal for homes. Type C MCBs trip at 5 to 10 times the rated current and are suited for commercial setups with fluorescent lights and small motors. Type D MCBs handle even higher inrush current, up to 14 times, and are used for heavy-duty industrial equipment. Special MCB curves. Now let's look at some special-purpose MCBs. Type Z is extremely sensitive and protects electronic devices like semiconductors. Type K is ideal for inductive loads like compressors and pumps. Type MA has only magnetic tripping and is used where an external thermal relay provides overload protection. Extended curves, rare. These extended curve types are less common but important in specific industries. Type F is used for capacitive loads. Type E is for motor and control circuits. Type S is designed for delayed tripping to ensure selective coordination in multi-tier breaker systems. R and U types are used in high-sensitivity environments like medical and aerospace applications. Sensitivity overview. Here is a simplified view of sensitivity levels. Z, U, and A curves are ultra-sensitive. B curves are high sensitivity, followed by medium types like C and E. K, D, and F handle higher surges. MA has no overload sensitivity, and S curves are intentionally delayed for backup coordination. How to choose the right MCB? Choosing the right MCB involves understanding the load type and inrush characteristics. Resistive loads like lights and heaters work well with B curve. For commercial devices with mild inrush, use C. For industrial motors or transformers, D or K is preferred. Electronics require Z or U curves. If thermal protection is handled externally, MA curve is ideal. Summary. To summarize, use B for household circuits, C for mixed commercial loads, and D or K for heavy machinery. Use Z or U for highly sensitive devices. Use MA when motors are already protected with external thermal relays. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. If you have questions or need help selecting the right MCB for your system, feel free to contact us. Safety starts with the right protection.